Tell Donna that I liked her cheesecake pie. I think that's what Barbara called it.
Hey Donna, Grandma liked your cheesecake pie.
It was very delicious.
I'm cutting this clove of garlic.
Maybe we should tell the viewers what it is we're making.
It's a secret.
We'll see if they can figure it out from
the list of ingredients. This
garlic?
is the hugest clove of garlic ever.
An antioxidant.
Grandma, don't you have a mincer? Are you recording or not?
I am.
Well, why is it facing over there and not over here?
Your face. It has to be on you.
Yeah, well, what?
I'm just excited by garlic.
Yeah, I've seen. Did you just get cut?
I don't think so.
It's like
It's a cheese knife.
Another cooking show going on.
Oh yeah?
I'll be your garlic friend and not your girlfriend.
I'll love you from a distance.
Maybe this is the way Julia Childs got started.
I don't think they had video blog technology then.
Hey, Grandma, look, I got another dish for you.
Alright, I better get out of here fast.
Do you want to smell the onion? What? No! I'm showing the camera! You video bad.
Now I've gotten it all dirty. Yep.
Steven is a bad videographer. This is what happens. This is what happens when I don't cook for long periods of time.
Have some more wine.
Also, no.
Eyes here? Is that what you're doing to me, Heather?
101 reasons why a cat is better than a man. Smells so bad.
Silly onions.
When are you going to cook your meat, Mother? I think your meat is supposed to be cooking while you're doing all of this.
The action's over here. You hate me.
I don't hate you. I don't feel like I'm being a very good filmer. And that's because I'm not.
It's goat.
Oh, hello there.
So this is local goat. I don't know how local. It's from Westminster Station, Vermont.
Pretty local.
Are you judging my localness?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm glad he likes you. Steven is a liar.
And a drunk.
Grandma, I failed. I don't know how this works.
Are you going to grind stuff up?
Yeah, I
Or are
want
you
to
gonna-
pulverize it.
You're going to have it very fine. When you plug it in, then you do like this. But it's sticky. And then, oh, sorry.
It's okay.
And then,
Whoa! Wait, it's already on! We're making this up.
I think it's gonna be tasty. So is this a paleo recipe?
It is a paleo recipe. In summary, currently we have onion, garlic, ground goat, cauliflower, and then we added random herbs. Seasonings. Pepper comes from the corn plant. There.
Nice.
That's a horrible sound.
I thought it would be a rectangle when you unfolded it, and it doesn't. It looks like a leaf. Go figure!
It's a leaf! Even Grandma's laughing at you right now.
usually I play 2 games of cards.
I think that I just put too much in there. But that's okay. Do you want to try one?
Kinda.